How to cancel Cash App scheduled payment. In order to cancel a scheduled payment on Cash App, you need to access the Activity or Banking tab within the app and look for the option to cancel the specific transactions for payment scheduled fewer than 3 business days before the payment date. All you need is open the Cash App on your mobile device, after which you want to go to the Activity tab, the lock icon on your home screen, and then you just want to select the specific payment from the list under the pending or upcoming heading. After you've done that, you just want to look for an option that says cancel or tap the three-dot icon to view more options, then select cancel payments. After that, you could confirm the cancellation when prompted as well. And if you're canceling a scheduled loan payment or loan repayment, all you need is just go to the banking tab and you can just select borrow section and scroll down to the upcoming section and choose the payment you want to manage. You can either tap skip replacement to skip a single payment or select autoplay and then disable autopay to cancel all the further automatic payments as well. So that's how you're going to cancel Cash App scheduled payment. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.